Good morning, Vincians. Another beautiful day has begun. 2. Governance is a collective effort. At the mayor's office, I do not work in isolation. I am supported by a team of professionals who continuously monitor the city, identify areas that require my attention, stay connected with organizations, companies, and communities. These are entities that have a significant influence on Vanchi. 3. Information flow and strategic awareness. Our expectation is clear. Any major thought, plan, or initiative by influential entities should be known to the mayor's office before execution. There should be no surprises in governance. Similarly, when policies are being changed, we consult and take these entities into confidence first. This mutual transparency builds trust. 4. Ideal vs reality. While this is the ideal framework, reality is not always perfect. However, the system functions effectively to a large extent. Alignment between governance and stakeholders is maintained. 5. Policy on begging. In Vanchi, begging is strictly prohibited, even for charity. The reasoning is straightforward. Begging does not create value. It relies on the productivity of others. It does not contribute to societal growth. In Vanchi, money is an incentive for value creation. 6. The paradox of beggars in Vanchi. This may seem contradictory. You may have observed individuals who appear to be beggars. Yes, they exist, but they are neither homeless nor poor. Their presence serves a different purpose, one that cannot be disclosed here. 7. Financial bubbles. What is a financial bubble? Consider this pattern. People invest in stock markets because returns are high. Returns are high because more people invest. People invest in real estate because returns are high. Returns are high because more people invest. People invest in gold and silver because returns are high. Returns are high because more people invest. Do you see the pattern? 8. The nature of a bubble. A bubble grows not on intrinsic value, but on participation. It is filled with perceived value, not real value. When you earn through these avenues, you are not creating wealth. You are redistributing it. Your profit exists because someone else invested after you. 9. The real risk. As long as you spend money you have earned, the system remains stable, but problems arise when you spend borrowed money, home loans, gold loans, credit cards, derivatives like F&O. A bubble is not dangerous while it grows. It becomes dangerous when it bursts. And like a bubble, a single trigger is enough. The real concern is who holds the pin. It is certainly not the common investor. 10. The solution, rethinking money. To avoid being trapped, we must redefine our relationship with money. Money is a means, not the end goal. It is a token of appreciation for value added to society. You earn money by providing goods and services. You spend money to receive goods and services. More money indicates greater value contribution. 11. The only sustainable path. Therefore, the only way to earn more, without being trapped in speculative bubbles, is to become better at adding value to society. 12. Core principles for citizens. To achieve this, you must strive to be more efficient, more productive, more intelligent, not in extracting wealth, but in creating it. 13. Root cause of bubbles. Financial bubbles form when there is a lack of meaningful aspiration. When people lack purpose, they chase easy returns. 14. A mission for every Vincian. So let me give you a purpose. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to help humanity reach Type 1 civilization status. Good night.